Well, hello there, YouTube. I shot some video, it was this week, night before last or whatever, and I had static in the audio, and I don't know where it came from. So this time I changed the mic out. I bought the new mic because I thought that was bad, but it ended up being the GoPro mic adapter that was bad. So I'm wondering if this is just not a refurb, and that's why I'm getting noise. But I hope it's not. I put the new mic in and got everything back together. So if it is, I'm going to have to go back to my old Hero 4 Silver. Just plugs right into the microphone and not mess with this GoPro mic adapter, big old brick that you got to put on the side of your helmet, if that's the case. But anyway, I'm just out for a ride. It's still didn't make it to 100 today, so it's going to be kind of nice. I don't know what it is. The bike's been out. Oh, it's 89, so it's below 90. Well, maybe not. It just got out, so who knows. But anyway, looks like it's going to have a nice sunset with some clouds we got up here, if it doesn't get hidden. But anyway, I'll give this a try and see if I have static. I hope I don't. Anyway, bye. Well, test again, see if I have static. This is Lime Creek Road in Austin. It goes out to the lake. Some twisties. A lot of sport bikes come out here and crash. They try and take these roads too fast. I've seen the YouTube videos of them. Anyway, it's going to be a nice sunset. Well, I just got a nice sunset with the drone. It's nice clouds and pink clouds. It's pretty. I'm out near the lake. But anyway, well, I'm gonna probably stick that at the end of this video. Had to wash the innards of my helmet from all this sweating, and it's, you know, still in the 90s here. My head sweats and the helmet starts to stink, so I had to take everything out and wash it out with soap and water. And now I'm all sweaty again, so it's gonna stink again. Can't win in this hot weather. I guess I don't have to wear a helmet, but I don't know, I always do. I always want to wear a helmet. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to finish going this way towards Valente. That was Sandy Creek. Anyway, bye.